What happens when someone keeps shouting danger for fun until the day real danger arrives? In a quiet little village, there lived two roosters. One was known as the honest rooster. He only crowed when there was a real reason, like sunrise or danger. The other was mischievous rooster. He loved playing tricks, even if those tricks scared others. One day, the mischievous rooster thought, what if I shout that danger is coming? Everyone will panic. That will be fun. So he flapped his wings and crowed loudly, danger! Danger! A wild animal is coming! The villagers ran out, scared and worried. But when they looked around, there was no danger at all. The rooster laughed and said, "Oh, I was just joking." The villagers were upset. "Do not lie like this. We trust the rooster's calls," they warned. But the mischievous rooster did not listen. The next day, he did it again. "Danger! Danger!" he cried. Again, the villagers rushed out. Again, there was no danger. And again, he laughed. Now, the villagers did not trust him anymore. One evening, a real wild fox entered the village. The honest rooster saw it and crowed with all his strength. "Danger! Danger! A fox is here!" But the villagers said, "It must be another prank." No one came. The fox crept closer, and the villagers finally heard the noise and came running just in time to chase the fox away. They turned to the honest rooster and said, "Thank you for telling the truth. We know we can always trust you." And the mischievous rooster felt truly sorry. He realized that lying may seem funny at first, but when trust is broken, nobody believes you, even when you really need help. Moral: always speak the truth. Honesty builds trust. Lies may seem small, but they can cause big harm. Enjoyed this story? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more details. And remember to share with your friends.